Hey guys, it is a beautiful day in the North Maine woods. Today I am bringing you to Shinbrook Falls, and we are headed down the trail right now. It is about 50 degrees. Today I brought with me my DSLR camera. I finally have one. So we're going to get some nice pictures of the falls, and I figured I'd shoot a video and bring you guys along as well. I've never been here, so I'm really excited to see it. I'm pretty surprised actually that I haven't been here because I followed a lot of the Maine waterfalls, and I had been to most all the ones I thought were in this area, and I'm pretty excited to know that I have some new places to check out. So we're going to go see this today, and we also have another set of falls that is in the North Maine woods that I don't believe I've been to yet. So there's some really cool places that I want to bring you guys, and this is just one of them. And I'm only a few steps into the trail, and you can already hear the waterfall if you listen closely. So I have a feeling it's going to be pretty good and raging at this point. We have gotten rain, not as much as downstate though. I hear downstate has got a lot of flooding going on, so that's kind of unfortunate. Here, we haven't got that flooded rain yet, but we did get some throughout the week. So I'm interested to see what the falls looks like. So I can hear the falls pretty strong right here, so I'm very excited to get down there. Looks like this is the way to get to the falls. I wonder if that's a... Yep, it looks like there's a loop. So that looks like the up way, and this is like the down way. Well, we'll go this way. Really good place to find chanterelles as soon as they start coming out is right about there. It's nice and wet, it's mossy, it's acidic. I can hear them. Some really pretty lichen. I'm a liking it. Ha 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 ha. Okay, looks like just one little more muddy patch here. One more little muddy patch. Oh goodness. And we're almost there. Some moose poo-poo. Yep, I definitely think there are some chanterelles out here, but they're not ready yet, so I'll have to come back another time. Alright, so the falls are down here. Oh goodness. It is marked, but it's kind of like, okay, which way do I go? I wonder if they just put this on for like an extension of the trail, because back there where the exit was, you could probably get right down there as well. But, you know, since I have some flagging tape, I'm going to go ahead and put some down. Hold on. There we go. I just put this pink ribbon here because you can see someone else tried to put something there, because you can't really tell. There's another ribbon up here, but you can't quite tell exactly where to go. And then you can start to see some more ribbons out here, so we're gonna mosey on. Here's another point where it doesn't really show you clearly where to go. You've got a marker here, but you can't really see the next one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a marker in this bunch of branches right here. Or maybe I'll put one in this one. There we go. Now you can see the next one's way down here. See that one there? So you definitely have to be looking at where you're going, because the trail isn't super well beat down. I'm guessing they just rerouted this trail. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe this has always been the trail, but... Oh, someone lost some sunglasses. If you lost your sunglasses, they're here. Wow, that sounds incredible. Looks like you can go up this way to get the top part of the falls, or down here to get the main part. I'm actually going to walk this way just a little bit to see if I can get to that spot. Wow, it's beautiful. I wonder... No, I don't know. I was trying to think if this is part of Gulf Haggis or not, but I don't think it is. So right now, at this point, guys, if you don't like the sound of a raging river, I would turn your volume down. You see there's falls up there and down here. Wow, wow, wow. Part of the falls. And it goes down one step here, and then that's the main drop straight ahead right here. And I believe they said that's a 30-foot drop. Alright, so I'm going to go back up on the trail. I'm going to take some pictures real quick before I do with my other camera. And I'll meet you down at the main falls. This is the intermediate waterfall. You can see the one we were just at above here. And we're going to make our way down to the main falls right here. Awesome. They have a rope here to help you get down, and I would suggest using it. We're getting there, guys. This is a very steep, steep downgrade. Back and I'm totally getting a bath. Alright guys, thanks for watching.